Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about if ELSEIF else statement in Julia programming language. Okay, using if ELSEIF else statement, we can execute a portion of code depending upon the boolean expression is true or false. Okay, let me show you a simple example to explain how we can write if else statement. Okay, first here I am going to declare two variables named x and y. Here x equals 2 and also y equals 2, and now I am going to check which variable is greater or both the variable have the same value using if else statement. Okay, here if first I am going to check x is less than y, whether the x is less than y, print x is less than y. Okay, next I am going to check x is greater than y. Then print x is greater than y. Okay, next else print x and y are equal. Okay, now I am going to execute this block of code. Yeah, x and y are equal. Okay, in this boolean expression, y have the value 2 and x have the value 2. Then 2 less than 2, the boolean expression have the value false. Then the control will go to the ELSEIF block. Here it is checked that 2 greater than 2, this boolean expression also false. Then the control will go to the else part and execute this line, and we get output x and y are equal. Okay, and here I am going to give another value for y, 5. Okay, I am going to execute this block of code. Then you can see the change. X is less than y. Here x have the value 2 and y have the value 5. Here 2 less than y. No, 2 does not less than y. So the control will go to else block. 2 2 less than y. Yes, 2 is less than y. Then execute the block of code, print x is less than y. Yes, here is the output. Okay, hope you guys get what is if else statement in Julia programming language. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.